Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Myra from Low Carb Love, and today we're gonna be filming a recipe that I make all the time. You guys have asked me for it so many times, and I'm finally filming it. So it's super simple, but I'm gonna walk you through it. So we're gonna be making a Mexican coleslaw. So it's just like a version when I make Mexican food. It's just like my little side salad, and you know, I just came up with Mexican coleslaw. So anyway, it's one of my favorites and I hope you guys really enjoy it. So let's get started with the ingredients. Okay, so for this super simple salad, we will need so I just use a pre-packaged shredded cabbage, like, you know, ready to use shredded cabbage packet. That's 10 ounces. Then we have our tomato, that's a little bit of chicken bouillon, some cilantro, red onion. We have our sour cream, our mayo. You're gonna do salt and pepper to taste, and then we're just gonna add like a little squeeze of lime juice. And that's it, guys. That is it. So let's get started on this super simple recipe. Okay, so we're gonna start off by mixing in the mayo. And if you don't have sour cream on hand, you can just do all mayo. But you know, sour cream just saves a little bit of the calories, and that's why I incorporate them too. Okay, then we will add the tomato. We're just gonna basically mix in all the ingredients before we put it into the cabbage. Oopsie. Our little chicken bouillon, that's giving it all the flavor. This is a quarter of a red onion, and this is really just to taste. So if you hate onion, then don't add it all. This was about a quarter, okay? And a little pepper. It's pepper to taste. I love pepper, so I kind of go ham on it, but okay. So then you're just gonna mix in all your ingredients. We will throw in a little baby splash of lime, just to kind of give it that, you know, little citrusy touch. But this is also optional, like if you just hate lime in your food. I mean, at the end of the day, you guys are eating this, so you can omit any ingredient that you don't like, okay? I don't know if you can take a look at that. Just deliciousness here. What you'll want to do at this point before you add it into your cabbage is do a little taste, make sure. Let me see. Yeah, just make sure that we'll add a little bit more lime juice. Like, tastes yummy. And we'll do a little pinch of salt. And remember, it's to taste, okay? So if you love your food super salty, then just add more. But other than that, we're good to go. I need to get a new pepper. And you just taste it, make sure that it's to your liking, and okay, now it's ready. And we're just gonna pour this in over our cabbage. Just like that. Yum. And this recipe, again, I love to make this because it's super crunchy. It's just a great side with Mexican food, in my opinion. It's creamy, it has the, oh, and you can also add jalapenos. If you're about that spicy life, you can just add jalapenos and you will be in heaven. And if you like it really drenched in you know, if you want it like almost wet, then you would just add a little more. But honestly, this is the perfect amount for a 10-ounce bag of cabbage. So that's kind of what you want to base your measurements off of. If you use a bigger bag, then just, you know, double your ingredients. But oopsie. But guys, that is it. This here is a perfect side. You can eat this with chicken, with steak, with any meal. Even when I make chile rellenos, I just put this on the side for that crunch. And voila. Perfect Mexican coleslaw in like 5 minutes. So now, of course, for my favorite part, let's do the taste test. Okay, so now let's dig in and make sure that it is as good as I say it is. Let's see. This little coleslaw is so delicious. You have to make this. It's super fresh, super fast. If you're cooking chicken or ribs or anything, boom, 5 minutes, you have your side. While you finish everything up, whip it up, and it's perfection. So guys, this is perfect. I just tried it. It's amazing. Go make it. Make sure that you tag me on your stories so that I can reshare your recreations with everyone on my stories. Yeah, thank you so much for joining me on this video. I hope you really enjoyed this recipe. I hope you guys love it just as much as I do. And until next time, I love you and I'll see you on my next video. Mwah.